Hi, it's Linda from the Green Life Soil Company. One of the mixes that we make is our square foot mix. And often people ask, what is square foot mix? Well, there's a whole methodology of gardening called the square foot gardening system that was invented by Mel Bartholomew in America. And basically it's a way of intensively growing food in a small space and in a shallow growing bed. He came up with what he considered was the perfect soil blend, which was vermiculite, compost and peat. Now, we don't use peat at Green Life because it's not a sustainable product. It comes from wetlands. So we use coco peat, which at least is a renewable resource. We still use vermiculite. It's blended with a high quality compost, but we've added some extras, like it has biochar, trace elements and a number of other minerals. So it's a really lovely mix. It's perfect to use in wicking beds of the shallow growing depth, and you can even use it in pots and containers. It works really well for vegetables and herbs. It's quite lightweight and fluffy, and it's certified organic.